This is a 2021 Barletta C24UC with the rear lounge. Really big bench seats in the front because of the 24 feet. Has the in-floor ski locker, dual captain's chairs. Here's your Barletta bench that does 6 positions. You can sit forward and backwards at the same time. And it's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury. All Barlettas have power biminis. And it features a Lowrance GPS chart plotter fish finder. Very nice dash. And of course, down there we have your doggy dish if you bring pets on the boat, and your courtesy light. Very beautiful boat. It only has 1.5 hours. We're asking $69,995 for this boat. Comes with a dual axle trailer.